Good day, sir. My name is Jufel G. Kumahe. Jean February. Jean February, a constructor and former member of Cunningham Dance Company, believes that modern dance is something older that comes from a certain time and speaks of getting away from classical dance rather than integrating it. She guessed on to point out that contemporary is more of a term you'd use for something that current, but it has a more integrated aspect, so you'd use a mix of things. Bullet and modern, there are different styles for different generations too. Si Jean February distinguishes between modern and contemporary dance. She believes modern dance emerged as a break from classical dance traditions, representing a specific era and style. In contrast, contemporary dance is more current and integrates various dance forms, including bullet and modern, reflecting diverse styles for different generations.